Waiting forever to get approved on DoorDash. Let's talk about what you can actually do if you are stuck on the waitlist. So, I'd recommend you start checking out Reddit posts from other dashers. Just search for the keyword waitlist here and press enter, and you'll see a lot of posts or threads talking about DoorDash waitlist. Now, you'll find real stories and updates from real dashers who have dealt with this problem and found the solution. So, let me summarize the results for you. Most replies say the same thing. There is no way to skip the list officially because there is already too many drivers, right? And but there are things you can try to improve your chances. Here are 5 quick tips. So if you want to get off waitlist quicker, I would recommend you open the Dasher app every Monday. All right. So and let me just tap this for you. So open the Dasher app every Monday. That's the tip number one. Right. Then make sure your background is complete and clean. So clean background is a must, and check your emails. These are the and try signing up with a zip code. Okay, let me show you. So this editor moved from a busier city that needed dashers to a city with a waitlist and was able to bypass the waitlist that way. So if you are in a place that has a lot of dashers, try signing up from another zip code that is less busier and are like more prone to hiring more dashers or vice versa. So all you can try signing up from another place that needs more dashers. So sign up there. You'll get a verification mail or the red cloth that actually the dashers wear or the bag or something like that. And this should take you off the waitlist quickly. Also, don't give up too early. Some people wait weeks or even months. Okay, so someone actually waited a year to get off the waitlist. So you have to wait your turn. There is no official or to be precise, no unofficial way to get off the waitlist. Anyway, this method actually works a lot. So try to plug in a different zip code. To switch areas, use a zip code from a location that needs drivers. You don't need to live there, all right? Just sign up with that zip, and you'll need to create a new account with a new zip code, as well as a new phone number and email. Everything you need to change, you should do so, like a new account, a new zip code, a new phone number, and a new email. You can be the same person, but every other detail should be a new one. All right. Okay. Now to avoid some mistakes, let me to transfer. I don't think they have those mistakes here. Okay. So I have some important things to talk about. Like make sure to don't make a second account using the same email or phone number, or you will get banned. And also never pay someone to get you in. Those are scams as well. So don't believe anyone that tells you that I can get you inside the DoorDash waitlist quickly or DoorDash quickly. You have to pay me something or something like that. Don't trust them. Those are all scams. Now, while you wait, check out other delivery apps. So, like you have Uber Eats, and this is also a very popular one. And also Shift, this one here. So try this one as well while you wait for DoorDash. They often have shorter wait list and you will keep earning in the meantime. So thanks for watching, and if you're on the wait list, comment how long you have been waiting and hit subscribe for more no fluff geek tips.